What's up, baby girl? What is up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. Bringing you that content that's guaranteed to put you to sleep. Ha-cha-cha. Going to meet the guys today, and we are going to the Motorcycle Museum in Newburgh, New York. This is also a first impression of my new Corbin seat, or at least the first half. Oh, I'm calm it down there a bit. It does kick your legs out a little wider, but I feel like this is going to be better for longer trips. It's got a little more support in it. What's that, Big Sheila? You like it too? Well, can't argue with the woman, can you? But yeah, starting off this video in lovely Richfield Park. Not so funny story. I was out last weekend, came to 2 weekends ago, because it was nice enough to rain both days last weekend. Came to a quick stop, and my oil pressure tanked. I'm like, what the hell? So I checked the oil. Oh yeah, if you're doing an oil change on these, it's 4 3/4 quarts. I am getting on Shady 80. Bro, what is it with people and the on-ramp and not using it as a tool to accelerate to ramming speeds? That's okay, we don't have that problem. I will bring you back as we're making our way to lovely Newburgh, New York.
Check out the head, it's got one of those oil lamp outlets.
Oh, that thing's got a motor in it too, no joke. Yeah, like when you were a baby, you had to Oh, he put an exhaust on this thing. So this thing probably sounds wicked.
This is nice.
Sean, these things are everywhere.
That's
This particular one was owned by Malcolm Forbes. And he was time believed in electric. But as we found out in the last few years, it's only in, say, the last 5 years that the batteries became viable enough, you know, to power a lot of houses.
And we're back. Just left a motorcycle museum, Motorcyclepedia in Newburgh, New York. As you'll see in the videos, cool place, very friendly staff. They'll come talk to you, they'll tell you about anything in there. It's definitely worth the trip if you're anywhere close to it. But now we're headed to the Roadhouse. That's a nice turn, fella. In Becon, New York. Looks like a blue jay chasing a crow. I'll bring you back when we're moving. Stoplights starting to feel like back in North Jersey. So what'd you guys think of that museum if you've never been there? Coming up, gonna take the ride. We came all the way down 9W and then Google Maps told us to take a left. We went down this very nice road, come out right by the place. The time before that, we ended up going out of our way. It kind of sucked. Yeah, I'm pretty hungry. I'm hoping the food here is good. You know, I had the world's biggest coconut, I don't know, how do you call it, macaroon, whatever, cookie from the market on 9W, Palisades, New York. Bikes and breakfast there the first Sunday of every month. Show up early if you want a spot and you want to get coffee, or else you're going to be waiting online. You're in there fighting with the spandex Spartans.
This is Sparta!
And they have their full armor on, full spandex to the T, even spandex socks. Bridge. View's cool. Oh, look at that. That place is pretty wild, right? What are you doing, bud? All right. I'd rather let him in than him come over and not see me. And we're getting in the other lane anyway, so. That's wild. Look at this scenery, man. I have never been to Becon, New York. Neither is Big Sheila, right, baby girl? Man, look at those houses. So I dialed up the sharpness on this. I changed the view, and I noticed in the last video, the background was looked like it was blurry, even though it's 4K 60 frames per second. So I was kind of a little pissed about that. That was what was that, 404 or 494 in PA. So I'm hoping it's better in this. If not, we're gonna have to figure something out. little too hot there. Oh wow, this is 9D. I think maybe we'll take this back. 9D is fantastic riding. All these roads, 9W, 9D, you could just disappear and you'll have a great ride. Oh, there's a puppy's with his head out the window. And we're moving. After some old clown waited till the light turned red to finally go. You bastard. Supposedly this place, Roadhouse, there's a waterfall right next to it. I'm hoping it's good. Oh, Yanni said it popped up on his TikTok. He's like, let's go. I was like, I'm in. See if I can coerce them into taking 9D back. If you see a 9D video some point in the future, they were on board. Back when we're moving. Yeah, like I was saying, man, look at these roads are something else, man. What a cool little town down here. What if this is Becon? You make your own turn, sir. Alright, now we're here. What in the actual... Damn, girl. Oh, fuck me.
I'm in a big trip. These are my kids, I'm going to eat my time.
What's up? Just left the Roadhouse at Becon, and let me tell you kids, the fish and chips slaps, as does the chicken sandwich. If you made it this far, I thank you for watching. I drop my videos 3 p.m. ish every Friday. I'll catch you guys on the next ride.